I have a great Bullhorn First top tip to help you source quicker and stay in touch with your candidates and clients. Now, one of my favourite features in Bullhorn is its advanced note search. If you haven't got access to this, just speak to your Bullhorn administrator and get this added to your system. So let's have a look. So two of my favourite ways to use advanced note searching is one, to help you sourcing. And here I've got an example of a search where I'm going to search within a pre-screen note type that I've added to the system. So I've got action pre-screen added in the last 6 months with the comment agile within it. So I can quickly and easily find candidates that I've sourced previously and I've got experience of agile. My next favourite way of using advanced note searching is to find candidates that I haven't spoken to in a while. So here I'm looking for does not have note. I'm putting all the note types that I should have been calling within the last 6 months. And then this is going to give me a list of all those candidates that I need to keep in touch with. Good luck with your advanced search.